Keep 3. 3. Mali.
Pagka ganun po, 1 step. Tapos dito ka na sasabay. Ito yung step. Bali, ito yung step.
6.
Tag.
Ah.
Pero pag ito,
Antok ako.
Krista.
Lang. Sorry.
Okay na.
No.
Grabe, ang bilis mo na
I
mag-edit.
have to buy CapCut. I have to buy CapCut Premium Pro.
Mura lang sa Twitter yan, kuya. Bumibili ka talaga diretsuhan sa ano.
Yeah, para mabilis.
Ano kaya, Alvin? Mura lang yun. Sa Twitter. Magkano lang? 15 pesos.
Talaga?
CapCut. Oo, CapCut Premium. Pero shared siya.
Okay. Hello? Magkano?
Hello po, Kuya Achi.
Si Britney ba?
Uwian na.
Mag-overtime na ako dito.
Saan ko i-send? Okay.
I don't know if it's them, bro. I don't know if it's a them.
200?
Do I look like a P-pop idol? Do I look like a P-pop idol? Do I look like an idol?
Ha?
So, I'm so fixing.
Yeah. Ate, meron ka ng map.
Wala.
I know. I'm just fixing it. And then
How are you? Hello, Ate May.
I'll show you. I'll show you my outfit, my acting.
I'm okay po. Gutom lang. Tara, Coco. Dito lang sa Eastwood. Achi dito sa Eastwood. Coco tayo dito.
You're currently lacking.
Sino ba yan?
Oh.
You know, I went all this way just to play.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
That's actually really insane.
Oh, angry man. Hello, Ate Wida.
Dear Naija, she got PCO.
This is bad.
Sorry if that came off as harsh, but in this industry, you have to handle constructive criticism if you want to grow. I'm not here to tear you down. You know what?
Layo mo, kuya.
I'm gonna sleep. I'm listening. I'm listening. See, see, I'm awake.
You know what? Your marketing background isn't a weakness. It's your biggest edge. You already understand audience reach.
Ano plano mo sa B-Day mo? Wala po. Iyak lang.
It's so.
Iyak lang, ganun.
I'm so sorry for my
Wait, is it possible to know another way?
Everything is fine. I totally understand.
Okay, I didn't bring up your guts to turn you away. I wanted to see if you had the fire to push through when things
Huwag
get
na po,
tough.
okay na ako.
3 hours commute is hard. Yes.
Matulog na ako sa
This
bahay.
industry will push you much further.
Tulog na ako sa bahay, Hachi. Tulog na ako sa bahay.
Into drive.
Yes.
Hello, Dose. How are you? Graduate ka na? Down pa lang. Graduate ka na, Dose?
Right down the hall. Vocalist
Wala akong pakain dyan.
10 minutes. Let's see what you got.
You can also have Sunday eating. The beat, the beat goes wrong like this here. When
10.
when you're angry, the beat is wrong.
740.
But is it possible to like I can do the
But I
same
think you can
content?
more. I think you can more angry, such as.
Yeah, I may have to reshoot tomorrow. Because it's yeah.
35.
Tara,
But
tara
that's the
ngayon.
idea. I'll definitely
Alam mo, heartless. Puro ka amba. Tara. Tara na.
Yeah,
Huwag tayo
I'm
dito.
still fixing it,
Magsuntukan tayo. Tara na.
Yeah, for the Facebook ATS.
Lagi nga po kasi akong hinihikab.
Don't have the patience to say.
Diba lagi ko naman sinasabi sa inyo na normal lang ako hikabin. Di ako nato.
Company.
Okay lang daw, sige, ganyan ka naman. Lagi kang nawawala.
Like I
O
can
tara
do
na,
like,
tara na.
instead of
Magsuntukan
me
tayo dito.
doing like
Wala
a
akong...
skit, what if I can just be the one
Grabe, nag-live ako.
Naghahanap na. Tara na, dito ka, pumunta ka dito. Pag di kita nakita dito ng 6,
like I can just show around the office like, oh,
wala
hello.
ka.
hello, this is Reading Media, blah, blah, blah.
Oo naman, tara. Tara na. O, hinihintay mo.
22.
Tama-tama, gutom din ako ngayon.
No, I'm thinking of like, something like this, like,
Ikaw ah.
Ha?
introduce.
Oo. Bakit naman sana? Sana magkasalubong tayo. It's okay. Di ba, kuya?
Yeah, see, like something like super short. Like, what the fuck? Basta like,
7.
yeah, see something like that. Like, I just be super duper short.
Ayaw mo. Koko nga tayo eh. Alam mo guys.
People in a
Sanis.
conference room with generic charts and someone writing on a whiteboard. Hey Leo, what's your writing?
Hello?
Hello?
The data of the viewer.
Sabi nyo kay kay
Like, what if,
Heartless. Huwag siya puro
instead of
amba.
just me, I can also coordinate with the creators.
5 is
By the way,
Si Heartless, wag ka puro amba.
highlights of it, such as daily exercise and the live streams highlights goes into the ADS. Our target is to retreat the boy to come to our
Is it possible if I could coordinate with our creators?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Pag di pa ako busy, why not?
So, I'm not
Hello,
sure if
Kuya
I
Tampo.
can coordinate with them tomorrow. You can think of something for the... Because right now... Oh, So I'll hold a meeting tomorrow with our creatives to pitch, to brainstorm
Christine
on how
Joy
we can
Mabon.
promote the brand.
Sino ba naman ako?
I can also talk to you tomorrow.
Shirley!
make this perfect.
Ako?
Ano naman, Shell? Ano
I don't think
pinaglalaban
it's
mo, Shell?
perfect given there's some scenes where it's shaky. Because even though I used your background,
Madami kang absent.
it was too small or it would be too unstable. So I actually used my iPhone.
Gugutom mo, guys. Libre nyo nga ako Coco.
Oh, like,
Diba, Ate Grace? Libre nyo nga ako ng Coco. Tapos ng potato
okay,
corn.
sorry.
7.
Sila.
May joke lang.
Oh, this you can also.
That's what I did. But I'll scrap this. Like no, I'll talk to creatives tomorrow.
Duling na ako.
Yeah.
Hello, Biel.
Nakakapagod.
Biel! Welcome, Biel.
So I'll talk to creatives
No, Kuya
tomorrow.
Wayne.
Because bro, I'm not doing this
Welcome
by
po.
myself. I'm underpaid, bro. What the fuck? Hell nah.
Hell na.
Hell nah.
Hello po.
Or like pala puta.
I mean, isang Coco, tas isang potato corner. Di ba, Kuya Wayne?
Are you live?
Yeah,
you like?
I do.
You live?
But only on IG.
Yeah, I saw the notification.
Yeah. This is Kuya Joaquin, by the way. Yeah. Hello, Biel. How are you po?
Parang medium lighting.
Yeah. Kasi ano siya eh, parang nasa likod kasi.
Kasi nasa likod ka.
Opo.
Sign.
7.
Wag na.
Scrap the video.
Tulog na lang ako,
For the
ate.
past 30 minutes of TV recording, scrap all that. We're not doing,
Tulog na lang.
that anymore. But thank you, thank you for
That's okay.
Yeah.
Charge mo ba?
Yes! Fast
Baka
charging.
nag-chat yung boyfriend ko, nabasa niyo.
Taray.
Bakit? Mahaba ko lang.
Secret. Nag-aaway na nga kayo eh. Actually, nireply namin eh.
This is the host Franco. Alala niyo ba?
Who are they?
Gamer Zone.
Ah, Gamer Zone. Hi, Gamer Zone.
Sila 12. Sila Biel. Okay lang, Dodong. Tagutom. Mga natin pa ako.
10:08:04. Yes.
Can I ask favor?
Ano yun?
Just a quick video? I hope you can help me. Sige na, please, saglit lang.
Saglit lang yun ah.
Sweet dreams lang. Kasi wala si Kali eh, para may kopyahan.
Wala po.
Hello, Kuya Neo. How are you? Siyempre. Sana akong full absent na lang. Oo, parang may panggatas na.
Ay, yung phone mo, yung company ko. Sino?
Yan niya, guys.
Bakit? Nandun sa room ko.
Pupu!
I'll take it's mine.
Igo.
Kaya na kayo mo?
I don't know what's called.
6:30 pa ako, girl.
Pupu. Kuya Joaquin, right?
Yes.
Pupu, the name.
No? Birdie. Little
Pupu nga.
Tweety.
Tweety Pupu.
Tweety Birdie.
Tweety Pupu. Absent na absent habang wala pa. O hindi oh. Hindi ako absent na absent.
Tweety Birdie.
Yeah, Tweety Bird. Sabi ni Kuya Joaquin. Ay, hello po. New viewer po. Uy, Kuya Maiten. Kakapunta mo lang sa live kanina.
Nagas kaya cheese. Puro wait na mo.
Dami kong pantal. Like, I don't know why.
Napansin ako masyado dito. Hindi natin pang matindi ang thirst trap. Kasi gusto ko mag-thirst trap.
I'm hungry. Pero nagigilty ako pag kumakain ako. Like, diba may pagkain sila? I think nag-live lang ako para magpapansin. Gusto niyo mapansin. Do what you want. Hello, teen. Uy, Kuya Maiten. Thank you, Kuya Maiten. Ala, ang sweet ko naman. Thank you po. It's okay. Alam niyo, guys. Basta nandun lang kayo nanonood. It's fine. You don't have to worry about Yuki. 괜찮아, 여러분. Love you, Teen. Thank you, Teen. Napapagod na ako. Kasama po ni Coach Nat.
Saan nang dadalda ka lang?
Really?
Nagdagpa ka na. Nice niya ba yun? Siya na ganyan. Kaya pala. May kumuha lang siya.
Ah, shock. Hello. Sino to? Ay, si Ira pala to. Napagod. Oo, napagod ako kanina. Oo nga, no? Ba't kinuha
Diba?
ko dyan? Para hindi tayo paulit-ulit dyan.
Diba? Ang ganda. Or kahit baguhin na lang ni Coach ng step.
Sabihin na natin.
Ganun lang.
Para hindi tayo ganun-ganun, no? Hello, Maiten. Maiten ka? Maiten ka ba dyan?
May tangka ba siya?
Maiten.
Oo,
Mami niya may pagod na. Hello, Gogi. Pagod na kami, guys.
We have a dance. Ay, may dance practice pa ba tayo?
Wala. Wala tayong dance practice. Ayun lang yung pinaturo niya sa akin. Guys, congrats. Ay, wow. Bukas hindi na to, guys. Kasi wala na silang pera. Nakita mo sabi ni Tech, no coins na.
Guys, naka-ano siya, naka 10k siya, guys.
Oo, naka 10k din siya kanina sa second live. Paano pa yung unang live, di ba? Wait lang, magbura ka makeup. Hindi na, no? Ako ba?
Ikaw pala. Kain na ako sa gato. Huwag na. Ganda-ganda ng suot mo. Hindi. So, yeah. Babay na nga, guys. Pag-iisipan ko kung kakain ako ng coco.